Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
We were hurting movie script Papa Ijesha. Papa Ijesha told the court that the foster mother of the minor princess had called and requested him to be the part of the movie production on April 19, 2021. Princess sent me a message that she wanted to add a production and she would like me to play the role of a lover boy, which I replied okay. She said the story is about rape and she wanted to tell the story in another dimension. The defense counsel tendered before the court a print out of WhatsApp message between Princess and the defendant, which was admitted into the evidence by Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo. I asked for the movie location, but she told me to come over to her house. Before I entered, Princess met me at the back lane that the movie production was a Lagos State project, adding that the state wanted her to be the face of anti-child molestation. She told me to improve and create a story by myself. I told her the house was dark. When I entered, she said we should rehearse, that she would use her phone. Princess told me to kiss and suck the breast of a child, adding that the dress the girls were wearing was purposely for the role the girl wanted to play. She would leave the room so that the child would not be shy to play out the role. All those things that we are seeing in that video is just acting. My lord, check my record when it comes to acting. I can kill myself and die for acting. She was the one directing and filming my angle. He said, Baba Ijesha told the court that himself and Princess were directors of the movies and that she told me he could act out of the scene in the kitchen as well. She told me I could go into the kitchen as well. She told the girl in question, you remember what I told you? When I leave the room now, act out your role perfectly. The girl removed my shoe and I started acting like my role. I romanced her based on the movie role Princess gave me. As I was acting with the girl, kissing and licking her finger, I was also whispering to her, hey, do not look at the camera. Suddenly, I saw like 8 people, including Princess, enter the room and started beating her.